The Pontiac Aztec. Few cars spark as much conversation as this one. Released in the year 2000, the Aztec was Pontiac's bold attempt to create a futuristic crossover SUV. And bold it was. Its design was unlike anything else on the road. Angular lines, split grills, and a shape that seemed straight out of a sci-fi movie. Pontiac wanted to target adventurous, active lifestyles. The Aztec was marketed as the ultimate go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle for young buyers, and in many ways it delivered on that promise. It had innovative features that were way ahead of its time: a built-in removable cooler, optional all-wheel drive, and a tent package that turned the Aztec into a mini camper. It even had a power outlet in the rear so you could plug in gear while camping or tailgating. Under the hood, the Aztec came with a 3.4-liter V6 engine, producing 185 horsepower. It wasn't a speed demon, but it had enough grunt to haul camping gear, sports equipment, or a weekend's worth of adventure supplies. Inside, it was all about versatility. The rear seats folded completely flat, making space for bikes, skis, or anything you could throw in. But here's the thing. The Aztec's looks divided the world. Some thought it was futuristic. Others thought it was, well, let's just say, unconventional. Over time, its unique styling earned it a reputation as one of the most polarizing cars ever built. And yet, because of that boldness, it's become a cult icon. Pop culture gave it a second life. Fans of the TV series Breaking Bad know it as Walter White's car, a symbol of practicality and, let's be honest, quiet rebellion. Today, enthusiasts see the Aztec differently. They appreciate it for what it truly was: an innovator, a pioneer in the crossover segment, and a car that dared to be different. The Pontiac Aztec might not have won beauty contests, but it won hearts with its character, its clever features, and its fearless personality. It's proof that sometimes being unique is what makes you unforgettable.